Who is likely to get arrested for walking around naked?
No, Interracial.
Oh!
Well, Wagwan people.
Wagwan, wagwan!
Yes, Rasta. It's Alan Boy Africa
And Maria.
yeah, man. So we're here again, guys, and we're about to play a game with you all. You understand? And it's called Who's Most Likely to. You understand? So.
Dave's most likely to do everything.
No, sir. So, if you're new to this channel, you understand, just please subscribe to our channel, you understand. Click the notification bell, leave a like, drop a comment at the end if you like this video and everything, you understand. Do what you do. Yeah, man. So, let's get straight into the video. Let's go now.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, so first question is...
Who is likely to do weird things in public?
Yes. You.
Yeah, I
Crazy.
agree. I do weird stuff.
Yeah, like, she is brave like that. You do the craziest of things.
I would
to
just
get
grab the
people
camera
attention.
and tape.
Yeah.
Like, or I would just do random silly things in the shopping centre. And for those who know me, they know that I'm that type of character.
I'm a very low-key person. I don't like much attention, even though, you know, being an artist, you know, automatically gets attention. But yeah, I'm a very low-key person.
He is. He's very quiet.
If I can do without excitement or eyes on me, that's me, you know. So,
That's him, for real.
yeah.
Okay, next question. Who is likely to hold their breath longest as possible?
Well.
And yeah, we know the answer to that. Him.
Yeah.
We've had these like little competitions in the water when we're
Crazy.
swimming, and he's like, "Oh, who can hold the breath longest?" Well, we know I can't, but he
Yeah,
can.
because-
He's a fisherman, and he.
Basically, you know, I grew up around the ocean, you understand, close every day. It's either a river or the beach, you understand? So I'm always around the ocean.
Yeah.
Or around water. Yeah.
Definitely, he is.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is most likely to have weird phobias? A phobia. A phobia is like, oh my god, a snake! Oh my god, a spider!
Well,
you know, like
definitely,
a phobia to
I know
things.
who is that.
Yeah.
Yes, for sure.
Actually, you know something though, like just thinking about it, like you have phobias too. Your phobia is
Not like you. Not like
yeah. Yeah, probably not like me. I'm scared of everything.
you. Yeah.
We didn't tell him about this. Did we tell him about the snake?
We call him kangaroo in Jamaica. Basically, it's like a kind of like a sea eel or something like that. You understand? And we went snorkeling, you know, a couple days ago. And basically, I showed her the sea. We call it kangaroo in Jamaica, so I'm gonna say kangaroo. Yeah, so I showed her the kangaroo, and she freaked out. Like she basically just started holding on to me. Crazy, she went crazy in the water, you know. But yeah, and then I also was gonna show her a stingray, you know, and she started freaking out again, like she didn't even want to see it. Like, so yeah, that's you. Yeah.
So, yeah, so that's the thing. And then what about the sea penis?
Yeah.
Call it, what do you call it? Chinese penis.
We call it sea cocky in Jamaica.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah.
Sea
But
cocky.
basically it's called sea cucumber. Yeah, the right name for it.
Chinese people eat it.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, I freaked out. I know Babe taped me trying to touch it, but I
Yeah.
didn't touch it.
That was crazy.
Just floating, like sinking
my
in the
God.
water.
Yeah.
Okay, so next question is, who is most likely to get in a fight?
Well, for real. For real.
Well, for all the Latinas out there, you all know that we're quite feisty women, and of course we're going to stand up for our right, and we will, yeah, if we have to do our thing, we will. Yeah.
And to be honest, believe it or not, I'm not a saint, but I've never been in a fight. Never. I know myself, my whole life growing up, I've never been in a fight or any kind of conflict with people.
No, he doesn't like, yeah, he's
I'm
very humble.
Yeah.
That's
If I even see some, you know, two-person fighting, I'm the type of person to just walk away, get out of that area. You understand? Some people will be like, oh, on their phone trying to capture all of that. Nah, I'm different.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Next one.
Alright, next one is, who is likely to get arrested for walking around naked?
No, Interracial.
Oh!
Well, no.
Africa.
No.
Yeah,
Well, probably true. I guess, because I remember a couple times at the apartment. Like, I was just acting silly, you know. I went out the house naked.
It was a prank.
naked.
Which it just happened that we didn't get it on camera, but
Oh my God.
it was a prank. He went out to take trash out in his boxer underwear thing, so that was interesting. Everyone in the village was like, what's he doing?
Yeah. And I also went out on the balcony naked too.
True.
And I think someone saw me.
Yeah, yes, fully. It's crazy.
That's crazy. No joke.
Okay, who is most likely to fall asleep watching a movie?
Just one of them.
No, it has to be both of us.
Huh?
Both of us.
Well, most likely, most times it's me.
It's Africa.
Yeah, most times it's me.
Even when we're on the phone, being in a long distance relationship, he is the first one to fall asleep.
Yeah.
Before me. Yeah.
Yeah, true.
So that's, yeah.
Yeah.
Who is most likely to cry whilst watching a sad movie? Me too.
Crazy.
Both of us. I think we're both very in touch with our emotional side.
I'm not gonna act. I get emotional. Some movies, like, I just have to let it out. You understand? So, yeah. It's crazy.
He's so cute, boy. I love it. I love how he's just so in touch with all that. It's cool. So, next question would be, who is most likely to be the first one to die in a zombie apocalypse?
Well. No, I'm not dying. No. I'm a survivor.
I think that he would save himself and leave me to die. That's what I think.
No way.
That's what I think.
No way. I'm gonna protect you.
Oh, you'll protect me?
Yeah, and we work together, so probably it should be two of us.
Okay, we'll do just for the sake of it, we'll do the two of us.
Two of us for real.
Two of us for real.
Yeah.
Babes, got the thing.
We work together.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, that's done.
Okay, so who is likely to worry? Who is most likely to worry about small things?
Oh my God.
That is an easy one.
Oh my God.
He said it. It's me. I worry about a lot of things
Sometimes
that really
she
don't
needs to be more chill. Big time. Yeah.
Aw, come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. I agree. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I do. I freak out about everything.
I'm very humble. Like, you know, if you know me in person, you would know how humble I am. I don't let, like, nothing, the simplest of things are the most complicated of things sometimes, you know. I just let it just go like that. You understand? So that's just me.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's babe. Alright, so next question is, who is most likely to be a world traveller?
Well, the thing is, I haven't started traveling yet, but yeah, I think definitely, you know, that's a dream of mine.
Is it allowed to have two people?
Well, definitely. True. That's both of us share the same.
We share the same dream.
And definitely. And one of the things is, I would love to travel the world by boat, by a yacht, you know, because, yeah, I don't know about the plane thing. I've never been on a plane before, but
he will soon.
Yeah, I just love the ocean. I love the ocean so much. Like, I feel connected to it, and that's why I'd love to travel the world by boat. Yeah, so definitely in the future, when I become successful, definitely a yacht. I rather a yacht more than even a Ferrari, a Bugatti, or any of those stuff. You understand? I'm just different.
So remember that, guys, a yacht.
Yes.
That's what he wants for his birthday.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's really interesting because I've been on a boat before. Obviously, I've been on a boat, but yeah, it'd be interesting to travel the world on a yacht, and I'm all for that too. So that's a good thing. So the next question would be, who is most likely to win the lotto, or the lottery?
Well, Maria, of course.
Me, probably.
Because I don't play the games. Yeah, I've never played it before, but yeah, Babe does sometimes. Yeah, so.
Sometimes I get quite lucky.
Yeah. And you always say like, if you win the lotto, you'd buy a house out here and all of that. So yeah.
If I win the lotto, I'd buy more than one house out here, and yeah, I'll set up business and do all sorts of good things. Yeah, for the community as well, like building up, employment and things like that. So definitely. Okay, who is most likely to rule the world?
Well,
Okay.
I'm not interested in ruling the world because this world is full of so much things in it. That's just too much for me.
Really?
That's like being the government and trying to like, I don't want to be that boss or that bossy or kind of that person who's always have to be at the top. Yeah, not for me. Too much work.
Too much work,
Too much
really?
work. Yeah.
I think he'd be great because he's so humble, but then again, yeah, you're right.
Too
in
much
a
work
sense,
in it for me.
yeah.
So.
But I still think that he'd be a great candidate to rule the world. Because if everyone can be like him, like placid and humble and just genuine, genuinely just a really great person, like to be around. Yeah, why not? Let's get more people like Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will rule the world through my music. That's how I'm gonna rule the world. Yeah.
Yeah. So, who is most likely to go on a world tour?
World tour. For real.
Yes,
For real.
baby, all the way.
Yeah.
You would definitely go on.
And it's gonna happen, believe me. Because believe me, my music is amazing. Not to brag, but
No, it is.
yeah, and we have some great stuff coming out, by the way, guys. Believe me. Yep.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So, who is likely to cause world war?
Jesus Christ.
This is interesting. But I would say
Definitely. You are trouble.
I'm not
You're
trouble.
trouble.
No.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
not trouble. I'm not.
She would cause a world war. Believe me. Yeah.
But a good world war, meaning I'd bring people together in the art of love,
Oh my
not to
God.
fight and kill each other, because I don't like that. But yeah,
Crazy.
yeah.
Yes, trust
That's funny.
me.
Who is most likely to move to a different country? Even though I've, migrated to Australia, but still,
yeah.
that I wouldn't say Australia would be my favourite place to be, like to
I
live
would
in.
say.
I would say me too. I would say Jamaica. Or, yeah, somewhere.
Yeah.
Nice.
Definitely.
Yeah. Okay. Who is most likely to become the kindest person in the world?
Both of us. Well, that's not a lie.
Yeah.
Because we're both like that, you understand? Yep. Yeah, man, realness, you understand? And I care. So definitely. Yeah.
That's good.
Both of us.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'm kind. I'm a very kind person.
True.
Yeah. Okay, so next question would be, who is most likely to take care of others when they are sick? Oh my God! Really?
Oh my God. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
You haven't been sick on me yet to know.
I have.
No.
What happened the other night?
You
I
weren't sick. You weren't sick. Oh my God.
Yes, I was.
But I took care of
And
you.
I took care of you as well.
Yeah. So we both took care of each other. You understand? So yeah.
Oh my God.
I would say probably you're a bit better at it because, you know, you kind of basically, she's a nurse, guys, so yeah, she's in the field of, you know, that
caring.
Caring, you know, good hospitality and everything, so yeah.
Yeah, but he's good. He'll look after you for 5 minutes and then walk away.
Yeah.
So yeah, probably.
I will.
I'll give him out of 100, probably 10%.
You're my woman, of course. So why not? I mean, who wouldn't do that? You understand? If you love your woman, you're planning to spend the rest of your life with her. Why not? You know?
What do you guys think? You tell us what you guys think. Seriously.
So, yeah.
Okay, so who is most likely to cry in a public place?
Well, I don't cry in public.
You don't cry in public?
No, I don't.
Yeah,
Well,
we know the answer to that. It's always female.
I will get emotional, but I try not to show it in public. You know what I mean? It's probably like a man thing, but at the same time, yeah, because crazy story. You know, my dad passed when I was 13 years old, like, you know, and even, you know, when I was at the funeral and all of that, like tears were flowing, and I didn't like cry out loud or anything, you know. I was very sad and in a dark state, you know what I mean, but I didn't cry out loud or anything. I couldn't hold back the tears though, but yeah, I try not to show it in public.
But you're 13, you're allowed to cry.
Yeah, but I was just trying to be strong.
Yeah.
So,
you can cry anytime. There's nothing wrong with crying, guys, right? Please comment if you think that there's something wrong if a guy cries. I personally think it's the sweetest thing on earth. If a guy cries, it means he's in touch with his emotional side and he's, you know, and I think you are really in touch with that side of yourself. And
I'm a very emotional person, no joke.
I love it.
But yeah, I just try to be strong. Yeah.
Okay, so who is most likely to forget special events like birthdays, wedding anniversaries?
Well, I never forget your birthday.
No, he won't forget the birthday.
You understand? I might forget an event or something like that. But, yeah.
Africa. His memory is like, I don't know, he only remembers the good things.
Yes.
So,
and that's the most important thing.
yes, very true, very true.